I just wanted you to hear it. But look, those are my wind chimes. Covered in ice. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting pelted by ice. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can see Nathan's windows right there. That's all ice. All ice right there. Trying to get the light here. I don't know, can you see it? There we go. So it doesn't look that bad. Oh, but it is cold. It is very cold. They're just tiny little pellets of ice going down my sleeve. I can't catch any in my hand. I want to say they're melting too fast, but I guess that's because my hands are still warm from inside. But there's my driveway. That's all the snow that's been there forever. I'm freezing. Oh, sorry. But here, can you hear it? Okay, gotta go back in. I'm freezing.